How to save website browsing on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to install the Facebook Messenger app from your Android by Play Store. Just you have to open the Facebook Messenger app in your Android by clicking on the three lines which appear at the left top corner. Click on this gear option. Now you have to scroll this bar and click on privacy and safety here. You can see here different options. Save website browsing, just you have to click on it. By turning it on off, you will not be able to save website browsing, and by turning it on you can save website browsing on your Facebook Messenger. Thank you. This was for both Android as well as for iPhone. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.